Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to create PDF file using your mobile. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to create PDF file from your mobile, then I will show you how to do this. As you can see, you need to download one application which is called Doc Scanner. Just open the Play Store, tap on the search, then type here Doc Scanner. You need to install this application. After installing this application, just tap to open. Here you will find one camera icon and one plus icon. If you want to capture the image and create PDF, you can just tap on this camera option, or if you want to add from your gallery, just tap on this plus mark. Here you will find import from gallery, tap on this. Then you need to allow the permission, just tap on this system gallery, tap on continue, select the image 1, 2, then tap on this select. As you can see, I have selected 2 files. You can set this crop position. This is image 1 and this is image 2. After setting this crop position, tap on this next option, then tap on this right sign, tap on this 3 dot, tap on this PDF or JPG. If you want to rename this file, tap on this edit option, rename your file, tap on OK, tap on this 3 dot, just tap on PDF. If you want to save, you can save to your gallery. If you want to share, you can share this through WhatsApp or through email. Just select, if you want PDF, you can select PDF, or if you want JPG, you can select JPG. So I am to select PDF. If you want to enable password for this file, you can enable this option, then tap on share. Select if you want to share through WhatsApp, or if you want to send through email, you can select Gmail or Outlook, then tap on send. That's it guys. So in this way you can create PDF from your mobile. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.